Hello, good day. My name is Mubarak Muhammad Ibrahim. I'm a 200 level student studying computer science from the State University. Here is our entry for the ongoing competition. So, our solution is Navist, which stands for Navigation Assistance and Virtual Intelligence for Students. Navis is a web app that helps students navigate through campus and provide access to learning materials such as handouts, past questions, textbooks, and more, all while leveraging the use of Google technology. So it is a simple website, basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and it uses Google Maps platform for the location and Google Drive, where we use as our storage device, and it uses Firebase as its backend. So here is the interface, the homepage of the website. Right now, I'm going to take you through. So this, you can just click on browse location, and here are the location, faculties. Here are faculties, directorates, lecture theaters. So I'm going to, let's say I want to go to a old multipurpose hall. So here is old MPH. When I click on it from Google Maps, is we based on due to lack of technical knowledge that we have, we use what we have at our hand. So we just went to Google Map and added all the locations, most of the location, and also some pictures. And so that is basically what we did. I'm going to click on that now. So let me change this to settings. So it is going to currently calculate where I am. So I'm going to click on, here is where I'm currently at lecture 4. So I'm going to click on so it's going to tell me how many minutes I have to my location.
Navist.
So you can see it has gotten my location. So when I start working, it's going to start moving. So I started working. Basically, you all know these steps, so I'm just going to fast forward it till I have reached. Here is my destination, so I'm going to just skip this step till I have reached my location. So here I have arrived at old multipurpose hall. As you can see, here I am, old multipurpose hall GSU, from where I take. So I'm going to exit this. I have finished this. It has brought me to my location. So the next option is the option of materials. We have taken our time to upload various materials on the Google Drive. So you just come here, click on learning materials. It's going to take you to Google Drive. So as you can see, here we are currently, here are the faculties that we have here: education, medicine. So let's say science, faculty of science, 100 level, 200 level. So click on bit level. Here are the courses or subjects that are being offered. Let's say biology. So if you are in biology, here are your materials. We have a source scout for the materials from various sources. Here is chemistry and so forth. So this is basically what the software is all about. And here you have the university portal. If you click here, it's going to, that's just what the software is all about. It's not a big software, it's just a little software. Our goal is to see that we create a platform where students can get accurate directions to anywhere in campus, and also get reminders about relevant activities such as lectures, tests, change of venues, and more. Currently, we are honing our skills. We are in 200 level. We are currently honing our skills, and we want it to be global. Universities such as University of Maiduguri, ABU Zaria, they are so huge. So we want it to be in every university. That is our goal. So thank you very much.